Welcome back, everyone. First of all, let's answer the question, why use Java with Playwright? Despite the fact that Playwright was developed initially as a Node.js library and it has support for TypeScript, the aim of the team behind Playwright is to offer a framework that can be used by any company and any developer or tester. So for this, Playwright offers the ability to write your tests using either TypeScript, C#, Java, or Python. The reason I choose to make this course using Java is because most of the automation testers that work right now are very skilled with Java. I see this as a normal fit for anyone that falls into that category. Let's take a short walk through what we are going to learn in this course. At first, we'll tackle the Playwright fundamentals. We will examine the API and try to figure out how to use the different elements exposed by Playwright. We will learn how to launch a browser, what is a browser context, how do pages work, how to interact with pages and elements. After that, we will learn how we can perform basic actions that are required in order to automate web applications. After we go through Playwright fundamentals, we will start to build an automation framework using Java. This means we will go step by step and learn how to build and design an automation framework from an empty project. Next, we will learn about reporting and debugging. We will show different approaches of debugging your test using Playwright Inspector. Then, we will explore how to use the trace viewer and video recording. Lastly, we will integrate this feature with a test watcher. After this, we will explore parallel execution. We will discuss about the limitations and how we can achieve parallel execution safely with the Java bindings library. After this, we will learn how to build a Selenium grid infrastructure and how we can execute our tests in parallel against the grid. The last part will be about CI/CD integration. We will explore how to integrate our test automation framework in a CI/CD pipeline. We will work with Jenkins and Azure as DevOps tools. Please note that this course is constantly being updated and I will add new features constantly, so please check regularly. Okay guys, this was all for this lesson. See you in the next one.